PNG government faces criticism over delay in delivering assistance package to businesses affected during Black Wednesday. Port Moresby, March 31st, 2024. The Papua New Guinea, PNG, government is under scrutiny for the delayed delivery of an assistance package promised to business houses affected during the infamous Black Wednesday crisis. Following the economic turmoil and civil unrest that occurred on Black Wednesday, where widespread looting and destruction impacted numerous businesses, the government pledged financial aid to help affected establishments recover.
And so to the members of our business community, we are putting together an assistance package that should assist you get back into business. And government has sufficient funding in this year's allocation, for instance, the 200 million for SME intervention, the 150 million kina for state equity interventions. These are all in all over 300 million kina we have in this year's budget to assist commerce and business and enterprise in our country. So Cabinet at the very earliest, when we convene next week, will package an assistance package for those taxpayers who lost businesses. Simply put, they expect the state to protect the businesses. In the state's law enforcement agency was not able to protect the businesses. The taxpayers need our support in tough times. We are a government that is known to give support to our economy and our people in tough times.
However, several months have passed since the incident, and many businesses are still awaiting the much-needed support. Business owners have expressed frustration and disappointment over the prolonged delay, emphasizing the urgency of the situation as they struggle to rebuild and sustain their operations. Some have even voiced concerns that the delay in assistance could further exacerbate their financial woes, potentially leading to closures and job losses. Government officials have acknowledged the delay and attributed it to bureaucratic processes and logistical challenges. They assured affected businesses that efforts are underway to expedite the distribution of aid and support them in their recovery efforts. As businesses continue to grapple with the aftermath of Black Wednesday, the pressure mounts on the PNG government to swiftly fulfill its commitment and provide the necessary assistance to mitigate the impact of the crisis on the country's economy.